What's up, Cradle Cup? My name is Ayan from Jeffrey, and I'm accompanied by
Abdulaziz, Muzammil, Firoz. And we are here to present to you our idea about sustainable home cleaning service.
Sustainable home cleaning services aim to address the problem by providing eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for both people and the environment. The service will include non-toxic and biodegradable cleaning products and sustainable cleaning particles to ensure a healthy living environment for customers while reducing their carbon footprints.
The increasing awareness of the environmental impact of traditional cleaning products and practices has led to a growing concern among consumers about the chemicals used in their homes. Many households are seeking safer and more eco-friendly alternatives that are both effective and sustainable.
Customers will choose this service over competitors because of our commitment to sustainability and health. By using eco-friendly products and practices, the service not only offers a safer alternative for customers and their families, but also contributes to a greener future. Additionally, the service can differentiate itself by offering customizable cleaning plans, excellent customer service, and trained staff who are knowledgeable about this particular topic and eco-friendly cleaning particular topic. This covers the following MDG and SDGs. MDG 7, ensure environmental sustainability. SDG 3, good health and well-being. SDG 6, clean water and sanitation. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. SDG 13, climate action. SDG 15, life on land.
Home cleaning services can collaborate with businesses that currently use traditional cleaning methods and chemicals. By offering them our eco-friendly cleaning solutions, we can help them grow aligned with the growing demand for environmentally conscious practices. This partnership can help these businesses attract more customers who prioritize sustainability, differentiate themselves in the market, and enhance their reputation as socially responsible companies.
Generate revenue through various channels such as one-time cleaning services, recurring cleaning subscriptions, add-on services like deep cleaning or eco-friendly product sales, and partnership with eco-conscious brands. Pricing can be based on the size of the home, the scope of cleaning required, and the frequency of service. Marketing efforts can focus on the health and environmental benefits of the service to attract customers who prioritize sustainability and wellness.